This is a video on how to create vehicle models. To create the vehicle models, you have to go to the master and then click on the vehicle model. Once you click on the vehicle model, you can select the brand created, the vehicle brand. Let's say Aston Martin, and you can create the new model. Say Siano. Leave the vehicle type blank and the vehicle year blank and the cylinder blank, and then save. Once you save, if you enter the vehicle model here, Siano, and search, you have the vehicle model created over here. Now you can delete by pressing delete here, but if there is a record already existing, it will not allow you to delete. This is how you create the vehicle models in the system. Thank you.